Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to install Google Analytics on Weebly. First, log into your account, then on the top right, click on Edit Sites. Now, go to your Analytics account and log in. Once inside the dashboard, go and click on Get Tagging Instruction. Now, on the pop-up, click Confirm at the top right. Then, go and view your tag instructions. For here, choose to install that manually. Now, go ahead and copy your Google tag. Once copied, go back to your Weebly website. Here, go to your site settings at the upper ribbon. Then, go to SEO on the left panel. Under the footer code, go ahead and paste the one from Google Analytics. Then, hit save on the lower right corner. After that, go back to Analytics. Here, you can add your website URL and test it if you want to. But once you install that tag, Google Analytics is now on your website, but it may take 48 hours for the process to be complete. Now for another option, you can close this, then go back to your dashboard. Now, go back to Weebly and close the website editor. Now on the left panel, go to your account settings, then go to Tracking Tools section. Here, click on Edit Checkout Tracking at the right side. And now you can add Google Analytics Tracking ID. So go back to Analytics, and on your dashboard, you can see your ID. So just go and copy that. Go back to Weebly and paste it in there. Then, hit the Save button. And that's it. Your Google Analytics is now on your site. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.